Izakhamizi zaseDevland Gardens zingenela umbhikisho ngasekuqaleni kosuku lwanamuhla lapho izwakalise khona ukukhungatheka kwazo ngeyinkinga eziqhubekayo zokuhlinzekwa kwamanzi kule nxanxathela. Abaqashi-ke bathi kwanqanyulwa amanzi ngemuva kwemibiko yokuthi umnikazi wendawo ukweleta umasipala imali engaphezulu kwezigidi ezingama-20 zamarandi phezu kokuthi-ke bekhokha irenti inyanga nenyanga. Kanti-ke njengamanje laba baqashi besabisa ngokugodla iy'nkokhelo zerenti kuze-ke kutholakale isombululo.
Abahlali abahlala kwi-flat iDevland Gardens kwindawo yase-Freedom Park bavale indlela ukuvakalisa ukungoneliseki emva kokuvalelwa amanzi, kuquka nezinye iinkonzo abathi abaxhamli kuzo.
Inkinga yethu ukuthi ever since we started occupying these units, there's a lot of promises that were made from the managing agent perspective. You understand? Into eyi-one yokuqala ilento ukuthi mawuhlala endaweni obviously uzodinga ama-services njengamanzi ne-electricity, and you look at the fact that kunama-rights wabahlali nawo that need to be adhered to when we are conducting business as well. There's a lot of things that are happening, including fiber nayo. We don't even have it, of which I think it's a necessity to have such services in development, because abantu abaningi at these modern days basebenzela emakhaya.
Ukuya phambili inyathelo elingumkhomba-ndlela baza kulithatha kukuba barhoxe ekubhataleni imali abayikhupha nyanga nenyanga.
We are trying by all means ukuthi siba-engage basondele so that we can sibonisane njengomphakathi ne-managing agent. Angithi umthetho uthi kumele kube ne-relationship between abahlali ne-managing agent ne-tribunal and all kinds of things kanjalo nje. Bona labantu laba abasiphethe la, they don't even respect ama-verdict we-tribunal. Bonisa ukuthi baphezu komthetho. And we don't believe ukuthi whoever oyiphethe instratini uyi-one kunabantu actually abavikelayo emasayidini, of which are my shareholders and those kind of things. You understand? So there's a lot of things that are happening khona lana. Ama-rights wabantu, we are being undermined, we are being taken advantage of. Ama-services asiwatholi. Ama-plans esinawo kwamanje, this is not a threat to them actually. But we are going to hold our payments or rent up until bona they come forward and make sure that we have a proper engagement. We are more than willing to see intermediary of which we can either approach usito of job women settlement or see a tribunal. But really account bese thina sibhadala tribunal bona bazobona ukuthi bawaregulate kanjani ama payment.
Oluqhankqalazo luphele lungenelelwa ngamapolisa naphele edubula ngeembumbulu zerabha eziphele zichana abanye babahlali. Kodwa noxa kunjalo iinkqubo zoqhankqalazo kulindeleke ukuba ziqhubeke xa izikhalo zabo zingavelwa ntweni. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eFreedom Park.
Kona manjalo ikhansela lakwa 24 siyakudumisa Makhawula uthi useqalile uxoxisana nezinhlaka ezithintekayo kwimizamo yokulungisa udaba lwenkinga eqhubekayo eDevland Gardens. Uthi-ke ukhona umhlangano obusuvele uhleliwe ngalolu daba yizeke ugcine ungahlalanga. Wangeza ngokuthi-ke uyimisela ngokwenza konke okusemandleni ukulungisa le nkinga. uMakhawula uphinde kwaveza ukuthi isixazululo noma ngathi-ke sohlelo lokuhlinzeka amanzi kwesikhashana sesihleliwe ukuze kuzosizakala izakhamizi ezikhungathekile.
Tema ngifika la namhlanje kuseni ngakhuluma noJoshua. uJoshua is one of the people who in charge la or receive ama-payments from kuma-tenants. So wangipromise ukuthi use Tuso House. So I went na mama members a few wala Tuso House ukuthi sikwazi ukujoina lo meeting between Johannesburg Water nabo abanikazi be-property to find out ukuthi ayikho leyo nto le. Akuna Joshua ukhona lapha, and akuna meeting that was arranged between bona ne-Johannesburg Water ukuthi basehlile babone ukuthi abantu baba-restorela kanjani amanzi. So yonke leyo nto bengamanga. Sithe masifika lapha yana sathola kungana meeting, and we even asked ukuthi akukho muntu obungenile yini ngani. So they've said no, akuna muntu. I will try ukuthi ngithole ama-MMCR relevant ukuthi bakwazi ukuspeed up yonke le process le ukuthi abantu ba-restorelwa amanzi. Even nayo i-City Power le efunayo ukuzodisconnectela abantu ugesi bakwazi ukuyistopha. Phela le fault lezi much eziyenzeka manje lento yenzakalayo akusi fault yabo abantu bawobhadala ama-services bayibhadala irent bayabhadala amanzi but lo i-middleman le ayona ayibhadala i-city awubhadala umasipala so la iproblem ikhona kwamanje nge-Klipspruit kuyothatha amanzi from Midrand eJohannesburg kuyothatha amatraki from Johannesburg ukuthi at least abantu babe namanzi temporary la.